Guys, so for today, manonood kami ng I love you, goodbye. It's so cold. And, happy to daw mahurot ang ticket. Kakimpang-kimpang ako. Bantay ng gid ni. Bantay ng gid. Uy, shit.
This is me watching, before watching Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Love again.
Again, sorry.
This is me before watching Hello Love Again.
Guys, ikuha na ito mga kamags natin. Mga kababayan. Mga kababayan. Formation.
Hi guys, this is me before watching Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Tapos na po silang nanood at kami naman ang next. Formation. Bebo. Ikaw ang aking Filipino. Otro, one, go.
This is me before watching Hello Love Again.
Bye.
Say hi.
This is me after Hello Love Again. Nice.
This is me after watching Hello Love Again. It's okay.
Nakarelate ka, Jai?
Sa mga struggles.
Startles na. Ikaw? Wala. Sige na kag hong-hong.
Nagluya mi mga kamags kay lakon mi gapugong ra mi sa mga emotions pero lami na kay hilak. Ang mga struggles, oh my god. Nice siya mga kamags. Must watch. Guys, after watching Hello, Love, Goodbye, look at the moon. I'll show you the moon. The moon. Where's the moon? Shit, I can't. Ano ko na lang camera, guys. The moon is over there. It's so big. Talking to the moon.